Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, locate your vehicle's glove box on the passenger side. It's important to empty all contents from the glove box to ensure clear access to the filter housing. You will need a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver for this simple task. This process is straightforward and can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. Now let's access the filter. Gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action releases the stopper tabs, allowing the glove box to swing down further. If your vehicle has a dampener arm on the right side, carefully unclip it. This provides full access to the area behind the glove box, where the cabin air filter is located. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two retaining clips on the cover. Unclip these. Then, pull the cover straight off to expose the old filter. Carefully slide the old filter out of its slot. Be mindful of any debris that might fall out, as old filters can be quite dirty. Before installing the new filter, check the airflow direction arrow on its side. This arrow typically points downward in most vehicles. Slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring the arrow points in the correct direction. Reattach the filter housing cover, reconnect the dampener arm, and then gently push the glove box back into its closed position.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.